Hello there, I'm the Itama 45, a true icon of Italian yacht design, launched in 1995. Crafted for open sea freedom, sleek style and pure power, I've cruised the secluded coves of the Costa Brava, crossed to the Balearics. Now, after a full transformation between 2022 and 2025, I'm more ready than ever to take on new adventures with you. Fast, elegant and thoroughly upgraded. Step inside and you'll feel it instantly. Comfort, space and sophistication. My forward master cabin offers a generous double bed, plenty of wardrobe space and a private ensuite bathroom. To port, I house a cozy guest cabin with bunk beds, perfect for friends or little sailors. My central saloon is bright and spacious, with a dining area that converts into an extra berth. Whether it's dinner with guests or a peaceful read after a day at sea, this is your home away from home. The galley has everything you need: a fridge, sink, ample storage, all designed to keep you self-sufficient at anchor. And yes, I offer 2 bathrooms in total, both fully equipped. My deck is where life happens. Fresh teak throughout, new upholstery, and generous lounging areas fore and aft. Stretch out on the forward sunbed or share drinks around the folding table in the cockpit. Fancy a swim? My integrated bathing platform and ladder make access to the sea effortless. And with my new bimini, you can enjoy the shade while anchored in your favorite bay. Beneath my sleek lines lies serious muscle. I'm powered by 2 fully rebuilt Detroit diesel 8V92 engines, each delivering 477 horsepower. I cruise comfortably at 26 knots and can reach up to 35 knots when the mood calls for speed. I was built to roam freely with 960 litres of fresh water and 2,200 litres of diesel. I've got a brand new generator, upgraded batteries, solar panels and an improved 220-volt system, giving you true independence at sea. Navigation is a breeze with my Raymarine plotter, autopilot and VHF, and I now feature a bow thruster for effortless maneuvering in port. My bilge is spotless, my electrical systems are new, and my maintenance logs are impeccable. I'm more than a yacht, I'm a statement. A timeless design with a new lease of life. Powerful, elegant and ready to welcome my next captain. You'll find me moored in Port Ginesta, just outside Barcelona. Contact Network Yacht Brokers Barcelona to arrange your visit. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Mediterranean beauties like me.